Hey there guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make Gigi Hadid's favorite red sauce pasta that she shared on her Instagram stories. We are going to be copying that, but you read it right in the title, we are doing it with a twist. So moving on, we are going to start with boiling our pasta. I'm adding a teaspoon of salt in boiling water, and in that I'm going to add penne pasta, around 3/4 packet. You can choose whatever pasta shape you like, but I really like penne pasta, so I'm adding 3/4 packet of penne pasta and I'm going to start boiling it. So it will only take around 7 to 8 minutes for the pasta to boil completely, and then we'll move on towards the actual making of the pasta. So as you can see, the pasta looks really done. I checked it, it was really well cooked. So now we will just sieve our pasta. And one thing, if you have to run it under cold water the very moment you take it out, because the pasta, it will keep cooking with its internal heat and it will eventually stick with each other and it will be a great mess. So we don't want that, so you actually have to run it under cold water for the pasta to not stick. And when you're done with all the boiling stuff, you can move on towards the recipe. I'm going to add oil, 1/4 cup of oil. Now I'm actually making the recipe in a larger quantity, but I'll write down the recipe for 2 people in the description below, so you guys can go and check that out. Okay, so as the oil was heated, I added a teaspoon or a tablespoon of garlic paste in it. You can use cloves of garlic and just chop them as well, but I just use garlic paste. It's more convenient. Then I took an onion and I chopped it. It was a medium-sized onion, and we are going to fry it with the garlic paste. And you just have to wait until a very nice garlic smell comes out of the mixture, and the onions are also cooked and a little brown in color. So you have to wait for the twist, as I mentioned in the title, so stay tuned to the another video to find out. Okay, so as you can see, the onion is almost cooked. We are going towards the next step. We are going to add tomato puree or tomato paste, whatever you have, around 1/2 cup of that. So I actually had tomato puree and I had it freeze, so I just took it out and that's why it's just looking like this. So I just added tomato puree in it, around 1/2 cup of that. So just quickly combining it. You have to cook it until the raw smell of the tomato is gone. We have to be very careful about that. This is a very easy pasta recipe that she shared. I mean, you can literally just stand up and make it in 15 minutes and you are good to go. You have a very interesting and amazing meal to eat. So now the tomato, it is cooked and the raw smell is also gone. We are going to add our spices in it. I'm going to add salt. I actually took like a 1.5 teaspoon of salt, but you'll use it according to your taste. I added 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 to 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes, according to how much spice you like. But this is red sauce pasta, so I would say keep it a little high. And I added red chili powder in it. Red chili powder is optional, but I wanted to make it a little extra spicy, so I add a teaspoon of red chili powder in it, and you have to give it a good mix. So we have to just cook it. Keep the flame a little low, don't keep it really high. We are just following the recipe, so we gotta follow the rules as well. So now I had it mixed. Now I'm using yogurt in it. Now in the original recipe it was cream, but I'm using yogurt because it is a lot more healthier than the cream, in comparison. So I added around 3/4 cup of yogurt in it. I whisked the yogurt. It was very smooth, so I just added that in it. You can use a cream as well, but it's optional. So I am mixing it really well. I am combining it. So now I'm adding a teaspoon of butter in it. So butter will actually bring a very good taste to it, and I'm actually waiting for the butter to melt So just mixing it so that the butter melts, so we can go on towards the next step. Alright, so it is mixed. Now I'm going to add half teaspoon of sugar. Now again, this was not in the recipe, in the original recipe, but I'm going to add it because what sugar will do is it will enhance the taste of all the spices that you added earlier in your mixture. So you know, again, it's optional. It's your choice whether you want to add it or not, but I would say that you should add it. Also, if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so because I post some really amazing videos and I'm sure you don't want to miss that. Alright, so now I'm going to add the boiled pasta in it, and we are not done yet. It's not the time to leave the video. There is one more step to go, and I just added the pasta, and now you have to mix it really well until the pasta and the sauce is combined. So slowly I'm mixing the pasta. Make sure you don't break it. And it was smelling really good. Alright, we have it mixed. Moving on towards our last step, that is to add cheese. You can use parmesan, cheddar, whatever you like, but I'm adding mozzarella cheese. You can add as much as you want according to your own desire. I'm going to add around 1/4 cup shredded, and I personally like mozzarella very much because the way how it stretches is just so good. So as you can see, the pasta looks really cheesy and really yummy. This is a must try recipe. You should definitely try it. I served it with some mint leaves and chili sauce. Also, let me know what other recipes you want me to try in the comment section below. Bye.